All right, you ready?
Okay.
This is Don with Pellet Stove Master. Today we're working on a Harman P68, and we're going to clear out the air wash so that the glass will stay a little bit cleaner. The slot underneath the door draws in some of the burn air that comes from the fresh air pipe on the back of the stove, and some of it goes into the burn pot to burn the pellets, and the other goes to wash the window and keep that clean. So we'll switch on the vacuum, try to make it as least dusty as possible, and you'll see. And that's it.